Hi, I'm Matt Breakwell. I'm the Operations Manager at Experience Solar and EV Solutions, ESEV for short. My job as Operations Manager is to oversee the install from start to finish, so from site survey to getting the quotes for the scaffolding materials, working with all our suppliers and our connections, overseeing the install as it happens on a day-to-day basis, and then hand over to the customer, making sure they're all happy and everything's going as it should be. Why I love my job working in solar as well is no one job is the same. It can be from a 20 kilowatt system to half a megawatt system. You know, there's always going to be challenges, and that's what I love on a day-to-day basis. We offer free desktop designs, so if anyone is interested in thinking about solar, please get in touch with us. Our email address and contact numbers will be at the end of this video. It's crazy how much money you can save now, with obviously energy prices being so high and solar probably being the cheapest it's ever been. So please do get in touch. Thank you.